Alright, so hey guys, today I'm gonna be playing um, PL PLSC CQB, which is PLSC Close Quarter Combat. I don't know what PLSC stands for, but it seems to be a band. This is the arena. So basically, we're just gonna be firing at each other. My dad over there, and we're just gonna fight. We get 4 magazines, 60 ringgit per person, which is 120 ringgit, and 8 magazines. So yeah. Alright, let's go. Alright, so this is the vest. I don't think it can carry any plates, even though it has this thing, the Velcro. But yeah, it'll protect me. Shoulders. Yeah. So this is the vest. It'll protect me.
Oh, that's for what? We don't. Oh, no, nothing.
Just press this one only. This button for you to
Really?
open the magazine.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So if the bullet finish, you come outside three times you do. For one set.
4 magazines.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one is one, then got 3 lines.
Okay.
And please do not remove anything.
Alright, let's get loaded up. So this is the gear. I have my vest, my helmet. Alright, let's go. Dad, I'm scared. Huh. That's it. Dad, do we team up? Let's team up, let's team up. Let's team up against them. Hey, we still team, right? We're a team, right? Huh? We're a team, right? Yeah, okay. I think he said we go back. We start there. Hey, you run, huh? Then I snipe him. Okay. So just get down. Oh, like that. Oh shit. You got me uncompromised. Put up a grenade. Hey, grenade. Udah, buka. Three, two, one. Take it off. Rush him. You got me. Hey. Where are you going? Hey, got shots. Come on, fire the wall, fire the wall. Come on, back. You gotta compromise. Pick it up. Crap, I can do this. Yeah. Are you a medic? Shit. This is fine.
Fire. Okay, we fire. 1, 2, 3.
No ammo already. Okay, I'm starting up. Back. Alright, let's go. This HQ target is inside. He's rushing. I need to wash my ammo. Ammo counter. Oh, this rushing. He's 3 o'clock, approximately 11 o'clock. Got him. Let's go. I got him. Machine gunner. Washing my ammo. Okay, got him. Machine gunner. Okay. Got him. I'm at the tunnel. I got him. 10 o'clock. 3, 2, 1. Got my back pressed up. He's laughing maniacally. Okay. Where is he? I told you to be sniper. I'm going in. I'm in. Yeah. He's there. I'm pressed up. There. 12 o'clock. I got him pressed up. Am I hitting him? I don't know if I'm hitting him. I can't even scratch my face. Hey, how much ammo? I'm putting it on. Hey, who's that? Oh, you still got ammo? Hey, I got a ghillie suit. Hey, I got a ghillie suit. But let me upgrade my ghillie suit. Cover my entire gun. Right there. Should. Shots fired. No hits. Well, no signs of hits. I can't even aim with this huge bush attached to my gun. I don't even know if I'm getting hit. If I'm hitting him. Oh, I'm going prone. Oh. They're getting hit to a bunker. They're bomb! Hey, buddy. Getting hit to a bunker. Buddy. Protected. Hey, you're getting hit. Hey. Hits. He's getting two. I reached his bunker. This is home. Get him! Hey. No! I'm Superman. Look at him in the face. Get him! Stop me. Push it up. Backside. I can't stop.
Get fire! Okay. Battery's low. Still got ammo. The battery's low on this too. Right. Oh. Sir, it's open. How's it? Oh, that's it. I'm going in. I'm going in. I'm going in. I'm going in. Hey, it's flying slow. It's flying slow. The motor's overused. Hey, he's hitting. He got me. He got me. That's it. What battery? How? What? Oh, this one, no battery. I think we just shoot that thing. Oh, I get it. Oh no, this is it. So I rate this experience at 8 out of 10. The other two, it's because I can't really see with the mask. I think it's mostly, it's not really their fault, because when you breathe, the mask gets blurry. But like, I can't really see it because it's transparent. I can't see where my bullets are going. And when I aim it, like, it goes up. Oh wait, no, that's normal. Oh, never mind. But anyways, yeah, I like it, and I'll definitely try it again. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Bye.